Welcome to DIY initi- Welcome to home. Welcome to DIY. Welcome to DIY. Welcome to DIY initiation by fire.
Yeah, that's me. As you can see, I'm not exactly a professional at this stuff. But that's kind of the whole point. Keep watching, you'll see what I mean.
Every episode, I'm going to put in a lot of research, and every episode, we'll put in. Every episode, we'll see if I can do enough research and put in the hard work to get professional results on advanced DIY projects.
Yeah, you heard right. I'm doing stuff, and I have no idea how to do any of it. But that's where this gets interesting, and probably a little entertaining. Here's why.
I'm spending weeks watching videos, doing research, reading blogs to find all the ways to do something. And then I'm going to follow the one that I think works best for my situation.
And no, it didn't always work best for my situation. But hey, that's how DIY works sometimes. This next bit explains why watching my videos can help save you a lot of time.
Every video here is going to link back to the instructional videos that I used so that you can decide whether you want to follow it too. The good news is, if I can do it, you can do it. And if I fail, you'll learn something too. And it'll probably be pretty entertaining. So subscribe to DIY Initiation by Fire, and let's see what happens.